Today I'm going to be showing you how I updated this calendar that I bought from Amazon that I almost threw away. I'm going to list everything down below for you, but you'll need a power drill, measuring tape, X-Acto knife, wood glue, a Kreg Jig if you have it. There's a little starter kit that is perfect for beginners like myself. I'm going to be using a 120 grit sandpaper because I'm not finishing the wood, and then this jumbo calendar that was actually living in my office previously that I stapled to the actual wall. It ruined the edges, and then once I looked at it and looked at my scrap wood, I was like, I could totally DIY something for organization for our family. I measured and cut out 4 pieces of wood. 2 of them are going to be 48 inches long, and then the other 2 are going to be 33 1/4 because I'm going to fit those in between the 48-inch pieces to completely frame my calendar. If you don't want to spend the money on a whiteboard calendar like I did, go ahead and just draw one out on a huge poster board and then frame that. I used my 120 grit sandpaper to just smooth out my wood, and then I measured the thickness of the wood because that is a number you will need to adjust to on your Kreg. So you're going to flip your Kreg over and adjust it to the thickness of your wood. Once again, there will be a little arrow pointing to it, and then you'll do the same with your drill bit, which all comes in your kit. I clamped that to my wood, and I'm actually screwing these into the 33 1/4 pieces, so just repeat that to each end of those size pieces, and then we're just going to screw it all together. I made sure that I had my right length of screw for the thickness of my wood, and then I just went ahead and drilled that directly in through the holes that we just made. If you don't want to use a Kreg, you're more than welcome to do the whole wood glue shebang like this, and then just drill a longer wood screw through the top piece into the center pieces. It just won't be as secure and it won't look as nice. Our frame is finished, and now I wanted to make a backing, but I didn't want it to be wood, so I substituted some scrap cardboard that I had. I just cut out a piece or pieces as big as the calendar and then masking tape that together. This was all spur of the moment thinking, so I apologize for not mentioning these tools earlier, but once I taped the back and the front together, I laid the calendar on top of the cardboard and then used my staple gun to secure it to it. I laid my frame right on top, and then I used masking tape to secure all of it together so I could flip it with ease. Once it was flipped, I used my brad nailer to secure the cardboard to the wood.
It's just... Off the project, off the project, off the project. I'm not sure. Don't break my project. Callie, don't fight it. Don't fight. Why are you arguing right now? What do you have to complain about?
After you're done arguing with your dog securing this to the wood, you are finished. All you gotta do is hang it up. So I just screwed in 2 screws, 1 to each side, and tied a piece of rope across and then hung it up on my wall. I hung this up in our garage because we're constantly in and out of here. For me filming out here and Paul setting up skateboards, the mini human always on the go. It's nice to have a calendar where all of our schedules live so we can always be up to date on what everyone's doing. I know this wasn't much of a DIY, but it was something that I actually really needed in my life, so I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Also, thank you to everyone that entered the giveaway. I did slide into the DMs of Autumn, who won the giveaway. Stay tuned though, there will be more, I promise. I'll see you Wednesday for another DIY.